With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here says, read the following statements regarding menstrual cycle in females. First, it is a reproductive cycle in all mammalian females. Okay, in all mammalian females, reproductive cycle. Now, if we see this statement is incorrect, why it is incorrect? It is a reproductive cycle in not all mammalian. It is only limited to our primates. Okay, it is only limited to our primates. So this statement is incorrect. The second statement says menstrual flow results due to the breakdown of myometrium of lining of uterus. This statement is also incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because the menstrual flow results due to the breakdown of myometrium, not due to the myometrium. It results due to the breakdown of endometrium. Okay, the menstrual flow results due to the breakdown of endometrium of uterus. So the statement is also wrong. Now we come to the third statement. The third statement says Graafian follicle and endometrium of uterus regenerate simultaneously during follicular phase of the menstrual cycle. The statement is correct, as during the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle, the endometrium of the uterus and our Graafian follicle regenerate simultaneously during the follicular phase. This statement is correct. Now coming to the last statement, it is saying the corpus luteum secretes large amounts of estrogen, which is essential for the maintenance of endometrium. This statement is also wrong. Why it is wrong? Let us see. Because it does not secrete large amounts of estrogen, it secretes large amounts of progesterone. Okay, and it is essential for maintenance of our endometrium. So coming back to the question, it is saying select the correct statements from above. Okay, which is the correct statement? It is only our correct statement is only the C statement. Okay, so our correct option will be the fourth option. That is only C statement is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.